Kamusta mga chief? Pinagsama-sama ko nga pala lahat ng views natin online this past season at umabot tayo sa 18 million views. Grabe, hindi rin basta-basta yung numbers na yun ha, kaya maraming salamat sa panonood mga chief. Kaya bago natin simula ng season 2 ay balikan muna natin ng ilan sa mga pinaka-memorable na kaganapan sa season 2.
Young boy hop out, yes I'm a knockout. I bring fire when I pop tart pop out. Born from a volcano, I drain gang like a sick Drano. Uncanny, I'm going hammy. Hit 100 note streak, get the whammy. Boy, I like it dangerous, dangerous. You cannot hang with us. Godzilla put the flame in us. There is no saving us. There is no changing us. I'm an alien from another planet. Super powered, bet you can't stand it. I spit flame, waka flocka. Create a monster, shout out to Naka.
Prominently, nothing you do astonish me. Honestly, I'm not trying to be anybody but me, and they wanna body me. What's the camaraderie? I want my brothers to win, but they want the blood. I open a carotid artery. The pop rock, hit the pop rock. Hit the pop rock, hit the pop rock.
Scary for me. So kasi kahapon gumamit ako ng ay!